My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To make a vector image from a picture, first open the picture that you want to convert, then click it. See here is trace image, click trace image. We'll trace it. Use this presets. Use 3 colors, and the tracing will be done. Just go here. Everything is perfect, just the eyes. I'll show you how to clear the eyes. Make a circle, not circle, elliptical shape here. Then no, okay, we can send it back because it's locked. You have to expand it, then ungroup. So then I can select all these parts one by one. So use this, select this, arrange, print front, this, press alt and take it there. The next type, place it, click this, arrange, print front, and you're done. So simple to create a vector image from a picture in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.